Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by marking your edge. Use string or a garden hose to lay the exact curve you want. Next, remove grass and roots to about 2 to 3 inches deep so the edging sits flush. Once done, use an edging spade or half-moon tool to make a clean trench. This guides placement and prevents turf from creeping back. Make sure to keep a slight slope away from beds to shed water and lay out your materials in order for smooth installation. You now position the edging against the trench, pressing it so the top sits even with the lawn or slightly raised for visual definition. For modular or metal edging, overlap or butt joints as the manufacturer directs. For poured concrete, form and brace. Once aligned, drive stakes every 18 to 24 inches to hold it true. Hammer gently so you don't bend the profile. After securing, backfill the trench with compacted soil or crushed stone to lock the edging in place, and recheck straightness with a line level. You finish by tucking landscape fabric behind the edging and spreading mulch to the bed edge. This suppresses weeds and protects the line. Then trim any excess fabric and mow or trim the lawn edge for a crisp look. Once complete, water the area to settle soil and check for movement. Make sure drainage flows away from the bed. If a section lifts later, you can add extra stakes, deepen the backfill, or replace a bent piece. This one fix usually restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.